As you've practiced your major scales, hopefully you have noticed a pattern. Let's start with the sharp major scales, and let's discuss that pattern. It has to do with the fifth scale degree of each major scale. For example, we have the C major scale right here, and let's go up to scale degree 5. And when we go up to scale degree 5 and write the next scale, we see that this next scale has one sharp. So the C major scale has no sharps or flats. The G major scale has one sharp. We can do that again. Again, scale degree 5 right here is D. And I'll do it up here so you can see it. Right? Yes. D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, and D. So the D major scale has two sharps. So we're seeing a pattern with that scale degree 5. If we went one more, we would see that our next scale with three sharps would be A, because that is the fifth scale degree of D major. Now let's write out even more of that pattern, and let's start with C major and the number of sharps. So we had C major, and that has 0 sharps. And the fifth scale degree of C major is G. So G major will have 1 sharp. The fifth scale degree of G major is D major, and that will have 2 sharps. Again, fifth scale degree A major, and that will have 3 sharps. Fifth scale degree E major, 4 sharps. B major, 5. F sharp major, 6. And you need to know one last one. C sharp major, which has 7 sharps. So that's that pattern. All you have to do is look for the fifth scale degree of each major scale. And now that you know how many sharps are in each key signature, then you need to know how to apply them. And when doing that, there's another pattern that forms, and it's called the order of sharps. So C major has no sharps or flats. G major has 1 sharp. F sharp. All of those key signatures after G major will have an F sharp. It's kind of handy that way. D major will have an F sharp and a C sharp. So all of those will have an F sharp and a C sharp. And then G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, E sharp, and B sharp. That is the order of sharps. F, C, G, D, A, E, B. And that's how you could find all of your sharp major key signatures.